Hey everyone, so this video I'm going to walk through the Trello board real quick. This is a pretty simple tool, so this will be really short. Go out to Trello.com and you can either log in or sign up for free. If you already have an account, you can go to Trello login, or when you go to sign up, if you already have one, you can click on this link here. I already have one, so I'm going to log in using my email and password. Now up at the top here, there's workspaces, or you can just go straight to create. If you create a workspace first, then you'll be able to house or hold multiple boards into one workspace. As you can see, I already have a workspace that's called Agile Practices. So once I create a board, just by using this Create button, I'll be given the option of creating a board or starting with a template. Now I can create a board from scratch with nothing on it, or I can use a predefined template that either I created or one that's available from Trello. I'm just going to create board. And here I can set a background, name my board, and then set the visibility. Just for an example, I'm just going to select a background, and I'm going to give my board title Emily and Sarah, but you can call it Week 4 Exercise, you can call it pretty much whatever you would like to. And if I select visibility, I'll talk about these real quick. If you have a workspace, whatever the workspace's visibility is set to, that's what your board will be set to. If you don't use a workspace and you just create a board, that's fine. And if you set it to private, you won't be able to share your board with anybody else. For this submission, I don't want you to share the board with me. I just want an image of your board, so you'll take a screenshot and that's what you're going to submit. So workspace or private, either one works just fine. And then you can just select create. Now Trello will automatically give you 3 lists to start with, and it already displays in a Kanban style. You can see it has the to-do list, the doing list, and the done list. And if we wanted to add any other list, we can. So make sure when you're out there looking at the instructions, you know which lists we need and what the names of those lists are. But from here, anything that we do, whether we copy, paste, or type directly into a card, we'll add it to that particular list. So let's say, for example, I want to use that select website color scheme. This will be my first card, and I can either add more cards or go to another list and add a card. So I'll be able to populate my lists however I need to. Now once I have at least one card on there, I can grab that card and move it around. And you can see there's a pencil on there for editing. There's a lot more options that you have. You could put on due dates, make a copy of it, make it look a little bit different. It's all fun and games, whatever you would like to do, that's optional for you. And that's really all there is to it. You'll notice, however, that on our lists, we have more options. If you have a paid version, you can collapse your list, or you can do different things to your list, adding cards, setting some automation, or archiving if your list is really long and has a lot of cards on it. For now though, I do want you to play around with this, but for now though, this is really all you'll need to get started working with this Trello board. And if you have any questions about this, just let me know, but it's pretty straightforward, and a lot of instruction will be given inside of the document on how to do this assignment that will give you the rest of the information that you'll need for what I'm looking for. Thank you.